There are many great cases for the Pixel 8a, but your choices are limited when it comes to more feminine options. Most of those are designer cases with a serious pink tax problem, but the Cyrill Cecile is here to break the mold. Cyrill is a sub-brand of Spigen, but it really separates itself when it comes to marketing. Inside the box, you'll find not just the case, but also a set of cute stickers and a nice neutral strap. Build-wise, it's a fairly rigid TPU case with a hard polycarbonate backing. The thicker bumpers in the corners provide extra drop protection, but they never felt or looked too bulky in hand. The buttons are nice and clicky, and overall the case feels very well made. There are a few extra details that I appreciated as well, like the holes for the included wrist strap and the interesting design of the bumpers. The branding around the camera bump is also a nice touch, since it highlights the main design feature of the Pixel 8a, while still making it more pocketable. The lip on the front holds snug and sits just high enough above the screen to protect it without making it difficult to use swipe gestures. While there are no grip strips on this case, I found that the TPU material on the sides added just enough grip for me. The back has no grip at all, but if you're really worried about dropping your phone, you always have the option of attaching the included wrist strap. But of course, the main draw here is aesthetics. The Cecile comes in a variety of great designs like the 4 blossom patterns I tested. There are a few more floral options as well as a matte, frosted version as seen here. Even the sober look of the frosted version can be spruced up with the included stickers, which stick very well to the PC backing. The Cecile cost between $18 and $23 with the patterns I tested on the high end. That puts it between basic no-brand printed cases and premium custom cases in pricing. I've tested a lot of cases and there aren't many similar cases in this price range that look and feel this good, making it well worth the extra expense. If you're looking for a more basic clear case that still has good drop protection, check out the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. The glossy texture doesn't look or feel as nice as the Cyrill Cecile, but it still has a great build and runs quite a bit cheaper. Learn more about both options at the links in the description below.